5 Best Drilling Machine. Here is the product number 5. Rotary Pillar Drilling Press Bench Machine. Condition new. Drilling diameter, chuck size, 1 mm to 10 mm. Spindle nose taper, B12. Rate input power, 340 watt. Spindle travel, 22 mm. Spindle distance to table, 200 mm. Speed range, 0 to 16,000 revolutions per minute. Working base surface size, 170 by 170 mm. Here is the product number 4. Engraving Mill Machine. Condition, new. 100% brand new, never used. Cutting edge diameter, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0. Shunt diameter, approx. 3.175. Total weight, 59 grams. Application scope, PCB, SMT, CNC, mold. Here is the product number 3. Drill Grinder Grinding Machine. Certification. 1-year warranty. The electrically controlled and powerful DC motor, stable frequency, strong horsepower and long service life. Bearing shaft and locking unit. Be used to grind the twist drill bits of 2 to 15 mm diameter, no limit on max length. The minutes length is according to the collect. If the twist drill can be held, then it can be grind. Can grind the HSS or carbide. Here is the product number 2. Mini bench portable drill bit. Condition, new. Brand name, Skin. CNC or not, normal. Model number, TC011003. Here is the product number 1. High-speed mini drilling machine. Condition, new. Brand name, Minic. Power, 340 watt. Voltage, 220 volt. Max drilling depth, 25 mm. Using range, wood, plastic, board, PVC etc. Type, high-speed mini bench drill. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.